friends, today we are going to see some plus size shorts, 3/4 and tracks. We have sizes in 5, 6 and 7XL. Yes friends, you heard me right. Shorts, 3/4 CAPRIS and tracks up to 7XL. So before I show you the collection, first let me show you the size of each and every size. So let me show you what's the size of 5XL. Let me show you the size. So friends, now I'm going to show you the size of 5XL. See, this is track pant, price 325, and this is 5XL. So let me show you the size so that you should trust what I say is what we give you. Come, let me show you the size. Please see friends. See this friends, I'm going to measure and show you. See friends, what I'm showing you is size 5XL is starting from here. See, it goes up to 26. So that means 50, 52 you will wear comfortably. It will fit you if your waist size is up to 50, 52. Then you can go in for 5XL. Up to 5XL, up to 50, 52. Now let me show you the next size, 6XL. So friends, the next size we are going to see 6XL. 6XL. See, we have started from here. See, all the way. See, it comes up to 58, 28. So 54, 56. It comfortably fit up to waist 56 friends. Very comfort fit, totally loose fit. See this, I am showing you once again. You should trust me. That's why I show you. We are selling you the right, accurate product, friends. So you can order very confidently. Let me show you the next size. This is 6. Now we are going to 7. Friends, the next we are going to see is size 7XL. See, up to 60, 64 hip size will be correct. See, 7XL starting from here all the way. See this friends, up to 60 to 31, 31, 32. So up to 64 you can comfortably wear friends. So you should trust me friends, what I am showing you is what it is. See friends, completely comfort fit, very good fitting. So friends, 5XL shorts starting from rupees 270 onwards. We have 7XL for rupees 290. We also do have 3/4. 3/4 available in size 5, 6 and 7XL. The size 7XL 3/4 is 350. Size 5XL will cost you around 285 to 290 rupees. So do WhatsApp us and you can buy online. We can home deliver to you. No matter where you are in India, we deliver to each and every city. So in very short time you get the delivery friends. You can buy from us confidently. We have all plus size garments only at Shahenshah. Friends, we also have a brand called CNC. This comes up to size 50. Price is 595. This is a good quality. It has side pocket zip. See, in the side pocket it has zip. Both the sides you get zip. So it's very safe when you're traveling anywhere. It's very safe. Size available in this 46, 48 and 50. Let me show you the measurement of size 50 in this particular brand. See, the one what I am showing you is size 50 friends. 5XL size 50. This is normal fit. It is normal comfort fit. This is comfort fit normal. So I'm going to show you this. So friends, see, I'll show you once again. We are saying size 5XL. See, we have started from here. See friends, we started from here. It goes all the way up to 28, 29. So if your hip size is 54, 56, then this brand 50 size will also be correct for you. This fabric is very good. This fabric is nice, soft and slightly good branded fabric. The ones what we see here, this is a nice cotton hosiery fabric, very soft, very comfortable for daily wear. We are getting you directly from the factory. The price what you're seeing is so reasonable because we are getting you directly from the factory. We don't sell anywhere online on major websites because the price increase. So what you're seeing is all at wholesale price friends. We are getting you at wholesale prices. So you're very lucky to find at such prices. We are the manufacturers.